Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to schedule a post on Facebook personal profile using your mobile phone. My name is Mary Aneju. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now the first thing you want to do is to click on this what's on your mind. You come here as if you want to type what's on your mind. As you can see, this is my personal Facebook profile. This is not a page or anything, it's my personal Facebook profile. So when you do that, you click on what's on your mind, then you type what's on your mind. Let's say I want to ask a question. I want to ask my friends, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? So that's what I want to ask, and I want to schedule this post, let's say for the next day by 1 a.m. So what you do, you come here after typing, you click on next. This is next. So when you click on next, you now see here you have post now or schedule for later. So what we want to do, we want to schedule this post for later. We don't want to post now. So instead of selecting post now, you select schedule for later. You can see it here. So when you do, you click on schedule for later. As you can see, there are different time here. We have today, we have tomorrow, we have Thursday. So what we want to do, we want to just click on this. You click here because you want to select for maybe even if it's next month or so. You can just select today or whatever you want to do. You click on this icon here, then you select it. When you are done, you can see this is the calendar here. You just want to see the calendar. So now you can just come here, you can click next month, June, anytime you want to schedule this post. Let's say I want to schedule it for 24th of, that's the next day, and you click on OK when you are done. As you can see, it will now ask you here to select the time you want this post to go live. Even if you are not online, this post will automatically go live at that time. So let's see, you come here, I want this post to be by 1 a.m. I don't want it, I want it by 1. It's showing me PM. Let's see, you can still do this. You can say 1 a.m. and click on OK. So you can see we've scheduled this post for the next day by 1:30 a.m. and when you are done, you come here, you click on post, and that's how to schedule a post on Facebook personal profile using your mobile phone. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.